US has also now called for de-escalation. Donald Trump has said that we share good ties with India and Pakistan, and we are in touch with both the countries. The White House says that Trump has good ties with both countries and we want the conflict to de-escalate.
This is something that the Secretary of State and, of course, now our National Security Advisor as well, Marco Rubio, has been very much involved in. The president has expressed he wants to see this de-escalate as quickly as possible. He understands these are two countries that have been at odds with one another for decades, long before President Trump was here in the Oval Office. However, he has good relationships with the leaders of both countries, and the Secretary of State, Marco Rubio, I spoke to him just yesterday. He has been in constant communication with the leaders of both countries, trying to bring this conflict to an end.
All right. Remember, J.D. Vance also earlier had said yesterday in a statement that came out that this is, this conflict is between India and Pakistan, and we are not going to really be interfering or meddling in their affairs. My colleague Disha also now joins us on the broadcast here. Well, Disha, so US continues to maintain a neutral position at the moment. We understand with the statement once again coming in from the White House. The US says that Donald Trump, US has good ties with both the countries. We want the conflict to de-escalate, but at the same time, the US is not going to interfere in our matters.
Absolutely, Kitty. Now, in terms of the messaging that US has been sending out, it's quite clear that they are urging both India and Pakistan to de-escalate and stop this violence. But at the same time, the messaging is clearly on the side of India, because looking at some of the statements that have come from US Secretary Marco Rubio in his calls with both Pakistan Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif as well as Foreign Minister Jaishankar, while the statements are both calling for de-escalation, stopping this violence, when it comes to the statements regarding the call with Foreign Minister Jaishankar, the US really reaffirmed its support and its commitment when it comes to supporting India in its fight against terrorism. Whereas in the statement regarding his call with Pakistan Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, he really made it clear that Pakistan needs to stop all its support for terrorism and terrorist groups in its territory. So really making it clear who they're aligned with in terms of India and its fight against terrorism. But at the same time, really ensuring that there is no unclear sign that US is trying to interfere or even mediate this conflict. They've made it very clear that we are urging India to de-escalate, but at the same time also pressuring Pakistan to stop its support for terror groups. And J.D. Vance again saying that this is none of US's business and none of Washington's business when it comes to mediating this conflict. It is up to India and Pakistan to de-escalate and stop this violence. So really making the message clear. Even when reporters were asking White House spokesperson Carolyn Leavitt about whether US President Donald Trump will get involved in this, involved in mediating this conflict, she made it very clear that if US President Trump does want to get involved, if and when, the White House will inform the press about that. But there is quite a clear message from US, de-escalate, and that we're backing India.